I'm going to do a quick video on my key fob for the Indian Roadmaster I own. Yeah, for quite a while now, my key fob has been a bit temperamental. With the Indians you get key fob like this with the baggers. So it's keyless, so the bike should sense that. You've got buttons on there for lock and unlock. So that side of it works fine, lock, unlock. So as long as that key's in your pocket, you should be fine. But what happens, it's not all the time. When I stick it in gear, the bike will start hooting. The horn goes off every 20 seconds or whatever to say the key's not present. So I decided to put it on a key fob. Nice Law Tigers key fob. Although we don't have the Law Tigers in this country, wish we did. Because I thought then the key was getting compressed in my pocket, giving me an issue. So the signal was getting bad. For a period of time, it seemed to work. I wear the leather jacket on top, key fob goes inside, do the leather jacket up, and then it started playing up again, every now and then. So then, when I get on the bike, I have the jacket undone and I have a key fob present. And then, if I shake it, just like that around my neck, it seems to see it. I read up that it's probably the battery getting low. So I've changed the battery twice. First time I changed it, it improved it for about a week. I changed it again, put it down to I just had a bad battery. But now it's still doing the same thing. So I put into good old ChatGPT the issue I was having, and it suggested raising the actual spring underneath the battery. It's basically saying it can't be anything to do with the receiver under the seat, it can't be anything to do with the bike, because the fact of me shaking the key means that it's the key. So it's either a soldering that's come loose, or over time the spring underneath the battery has lost its ability to be springy. So right, I'm just going to take it apart.
She belongs working on thunder, getting her right, ready to roll through the fading light. Miles of road.
So I've got my helmet on. I'll go through my normal process. So that's the start button. Now I normally wait for the screen to come on full. So it goes through its setting process. Usual on fuel. Right. So then the problem comes is normally when I put in the gear. Yep, still got it. See, it's still at saying on, and it's going to start hooting. Right. You have to take it out a little. Take it out. Get the key. There you are, it's gone off. So, yeah, so it's still doing it. So I've adjusted the key. So there's still something wrong with the key. It's not the battery. Or the next thing I'll try is to put some packing in the battery, which I'll probably do now before I go out. So it's just take turn it off.
Ready to roll through the fading light. Miles of road, waiting out there, winning a helmet, cool Cornish air. Working on thunder, one bolt at a time. Soon we'll be chasing that wide road line.
So give that a go, see what happens. If not, I'm going to have to get a magnifying glass out and see if there's a problem with the soldering. Right, let's try again. Music screen. Start. Still the same.
Coffee cool and while engines glow, friends drop in, lend a hand, stories rolling across the land, laughing loud in the afternoon.
So I don't know if you're going to hear above the traffic. Popped in, resoldered the key just around the battery terminal. It looked a bit suspect. See if that worked.
Chasing that wide road sun drops low beyond the bay. Tools get packed at the end of day. Turn the key, hear that sound. Best kind of music.
So the other week I did film, but apparently it's not come out. The key fob antenna. If I turn the camera around a minute, the key fob antenna sits under the seat, and where you've got the ECU cradle, there's a slot for it inside that cradle. So an investigation into that, I took it apart and found that the receiver wasn't in the right place. It's about, I suppose, 5 inches long. Black plastic, looks like black plastic. Upon inspection, it has a rubber backing, so it's supposed to sit on that rubber backing to stop it sliding around. So I read up on one instance where it said the key fob can lose the sensor or lose communication when the bike starts from the vibration, it moves it. So I flipped it over, and for a few days it worked fine, and yeah, guess it went back to normal after that. It has improved. I suppose once in every 7 starts, maybe, that it needs me to shake the bloody key again. But yeah.